If you're tired of cookware that looks great for 2 weeks and then suddenly starts sticking, staining, or heating unevenly, this might be the set that finally fixes that problem. A lot of budget cookware claims to be non-stick, but once you actually start cooking daily meals, eggs, sauces, pasta, soups, you realize pretty quickly where the shortcuts were made. The Tibbicc non-stick pot and pan set tries to solve that by combining stainless steel durability with true non-stick convenience. And honestly, after looking at what this set offers for the price, it deserves some attention. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Tibbicc Triply Hybrid Cookware set is clearly designed for people who cook regularly, but don't want to spend premium luxury cookware money. Whether you're setting up your first kitchen, replacing worn-out pots, or just tired of food sticking every time you make breakfast, this set aims to make everyday cooking simpler and less frustrating. And what immediately stands out is that it doesn't feel like cheap cookware pretending to be expensive. The finish has that clean stainless steel look, but the laser-etched hybrid non-stick interior gives it a more premium feel than most sets in this range. In terms of build quality, this is one of those cookware sets that feels reassuringly solid when you pick it up. Not ridiculously heavy, but sturdy enough that it doesn't feel flimsy or disposable. The triple layer construction really matters here because it helps distribute heat more evenly across the surface instead of creating random hot spots that burn one side of your food while the other side stays undercooked. And in real-world cooking, that means things like sauces simmer more evenly, soups heat consistently, and meats brown without requiring constant repositioning in the pan. The handles also deserve a mention because a lot of cookware sets overlook comfort. These riveted handles feel secure and stable, especially when moving heavier meals like pasta or stew. The tempered glass lids are another practical touch because you can monitor food without constantly lifting the lid and losing heat. It sounds small, but when you cook every day, details like that genuinely make the experience smoother. Now let's talk about actual performance, because that's what really matters. The hybrid non-stick surface works surprisingly well for everyday cooking. Eggs slide off easily, sauces don't cling aggressively to the bottom, and cleanup is much faster than traditional stainless steel cookware. What I also like is that it still gives you decent browning on meats and vegetables, which some softer non-stick coatings struggle with. So you're not sacrificing cooking performance just to make cleanup easier. The aluminum core is probably doing most of the heavy lifting here because the pots heat up quickly and stay consistent once they're hot. That means less waiting around for water to boil and less fiddling with temperature adjustments. If you cook on induction, gas, or electric, the versatility here is genuinely useful because you don't have to worry about compatibility issues later. And the oven safe rating up to 500 degrees adds flexibility if you like recipes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven. Another thing people will appreciate is how manageable this set feels during cleanup. Even though it's dishwasher safe, most messes wipe away pretty easily by hand because food doesn't aggressively bake onto the surface. That alone can save a lot of time during busy weeknights. And compared to traditional stainless steel pots that sometimes require soaking and scrubbing, this feels much lower maintenance overall. But for people who cook several times a week, this set makes a lot of sense. It hits a really practical middle ground between fragile budget cookware and extremely expensive premium brands. Compared to sets from brands like Carrot or basic Tefal collections in a similar price category, the Tibbicc stands out by offering better heat retention, stronger overall construction, and a more premium feel. And while it's not competing directly with ultra-high-end cookware like All-Clad, it borrows a lot of the same practical ideas at a much more accessible price point. The biggest strength here is balance. It gives you easier cleanup without completely sacrificing cooking performance. It feels durable without becoming overly heavy. And it offers enough versatility that most people could realistically use this as their everyday cookware setup for years. If you want to check pricing or availability, the link is waiting in the description below. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.